So guys, in this video we're going to show you how to trade with the trend. So this video we're not going to talk about technical analysis or anything special. Yeah, trading with the trend is also special, but we're not going to talk about the technical analysis and fundamental analysis. We're just going to talk about, show you how this video is basically for beginners, so they'll learn how trading looks like, or they should get a feel about how or what trading looks like. So if you check here, the platform we're going to use a platform called Xness. That's the name of the platform we're going to use. So Xness, yeah, this is it, Xness. So Xness is very nice, and you can see we are using a demo trading account. We're not using a real account because we're just going to demonstrate how trading works. It's like a simulation. So this demo money, even if you make a profit of $10,000, you cannot withdraw it. It's just demo. It's virtual money. It is not real money. You cannot withdraw demo trading account. You can only use it to trade and get the experience of trading. Even if you make $2 million profit, you cannot withdraw it. The money is just there. It doesn't exist. It's a virtual money. And virtual money, you cannot use it in the real world. The money starts and exists there. So this is your chart. This is how your chart looks like. The chart can go up, it can come down. And for this video, we're using, as you can see here, this is the euro versus US dollar. Yeah, it's trading the versus. Normally the versus button is not there, but SS is just trying to make it easier for you. But it's the euro versus US dollar trading, which they use for the stock markets. But for this video, we're not going to use euro versus US dollar. We're going to use something different from the euro versus the US dollar. But so if you want to let's say want to trade BTC, let's use something that is very, very trending, which is BTC. BTC has been trending for a long time now, and it has a pattern. Yeah, BTC has a pattern. So for this video now, we're going to use BTC because it has a pattern. So come to this search bar there. Now we're going to change this from euro dollar to BTC so you don't get confused. So you come to the search bar there. Yes, and then search for BTC and USD. Yeah, that is it there. So that means you want to trade Bitcoin against the US dollar. So once you search for the coin, or let's call it assets. So for this video, we're going to call it assets. We're not going to call it coin because crypto and forex trader might be watching. So let's just call it assets. You want to trade these assets, which is Bitcoin versus USDT. Once you search for it, you click on it, and then the chart will take some seconds to update. And once it updates, boom, it has updated, and now it's now showing the chart, the trading chart for Bitcoin versus the US dollars. So we're going to trade Bitcoin for the US dollars. If you notice, we are trading for trend, but if you notice, like if you look at this chart now, the trend is not obvious. You don't know if it's going up or down. It's because the time frame is set as 1 minute. 1 minute time frame. That's every candle changes in a minute. It's hard to get the trend for a 1 minute time frame, because so what will come is to come back to that time frame part and we'll change it to if you want to get trend, like the movement of any assets, the time frame you have to use is more than 1 minute. So if you look at time and 5 minutes now, it also looks confused because you don't use that for trend. If you want to get a trend, you have to use like 1 hour and 4 hours. So if you look at the 1 hour candle, if you look at it closely, you see that okay, a pattern is coming up already. And then once you should notice that each candle here, 1, 2, 3, each candle represents an hour. So this is 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours, 9 hours, 10 hours, 11 hours, and 12 hours. So each candle now, so this candle now is 24 hours. Like from that part to this part has been 24 hours candle. So but to get a clear view of the trend, you know, every candle, but to get a clear view of the trend, let's change it to the 4 hours candle. A light to load here, and now this is the 4 hours candle, and this 4 hours candle now, every candle is 4 hours. So this is 4 hours, 8 hours, 12 hours, 16 hours, 20 hours, and 24 hours. So those candles make up one day, a full 24 hours candle. So to get the how the trend moves, right, the best to use is the 24 hours candle. The 24 hours candle will give you the 4 hours candle rather will give you a clear indication of where the trend is moving. If the trend is going upward, you will know easily with the 4 hours candle if the trend is moving downward. Once you've gotten your trend from the 4 hours candle, then you will now move it to the 1 hour candle to get. So like now, let's use this from the bottom of the trend, you take it up to the top of the trend. As you can see, the lowest point, and then you take it like closer to the highest point, and you know where the trend is moving. So it's very obvious it's an uptrend. Change it to 1 hour again, 1 hour candle, so you start getting the shape of the trend. Remember, this is trend trading. We are trading with the trend. That is the bottom of the trend, the bottom of the candle. That's the lowest point of the candle, which is there. Then you drag it up to the highest point of the candle, and then you see the pattern that it is going up. That means it is an uptrend. The market is in an uptrend right now. If you want to know where the trend is going, you drag it from the lowest candle in that chart to the highest candle. Then you know if it's an uptrend or a downtrend. So then here now, if it's an uptrend, you believe it's an uptrend, you click on buy. That means you believe the market will go up. You click on the buy. Then if you believe that the market will go down, you click on sell. It doesn't mean you are selling the coin. No, it means you are predicting, or you, based on your analysis, you believe the markets will go down. That's why you're clicking on sell. So then remember, always trade with the trend, and then buy means market is going down. Buy means market is going up rather. Then sell means the market is going down. Do not forget these two things. They are very, very important, and we're going to cover them up inside this video again. I'm just bringing it up to your notice to let you know that this is what it means. So when I start saying buy and sell, you won't get confused. So after getting the 1 hour trend, the next thing you move to the 1 hour trend and the 4 hours trend. 4 hours candle will tell you about the trend. The next thing you move to is to 30 minutes. The 30 minutes now will now give you a shape to know what the markets wants to do. So if you look at it in the last 30 minutes from the lowest candle to the highest candle, it's still an uptrend, although some part looks like there's support and resistance, and the market is trying to break through the support and resistance. So in moments like this, when the market is trying to break through support and resistance, sometimes it might be an indication, although that's not what we'll cover here, but let me just let you know that sometimes it's an indication that there will be a market reversal. When the market is moving like this, when the market is parallel, it's most likely that there'll be a reversal. But let's change it to the 15-minute candle. And if you see the 15-minute candle, as you can see, it's trying to go down, but then it's trying to sustain it back up again. The lowest point of the candle and the highest point of the candle still indicates that the uptrend is still going up, although it's still not that clear. So the closer you bring your candle, that's your time frame, the harder it is to determine the trend. So if you see it looks a bit confusing, let's put it on the full screen here, the full screen for those who enjoy trading on the full screen, so you understand it better. So if you look at it now on the full screen in the 15 minutes candle, it's still an uptrend. The market is still going up, it's still moving up, although there's still some sort of confusion, but the market's still going up. So if you believe it's going up, remember what I said, the buy means it's going up, and the sell means that you are predicting the market is going low. Buy means it's going up, sell means the market is going low. Do not forget this. This is very important, so you don't make mistake. But although this is so let's switch to 4 hours again. Look at how the trend is. It's very, very obvious that the market is going up, because this is the lowest candle, and we'll place it atop the highest candle, and you see that the market is going up. Very, very, very clear pattern. So one thing, and then if you feel if the market is going up, do not go and place your trade that the market will go down. There's one important thing to know: do not go against the trend. Do not trade against the trend. If the market is going up and then maybe you feel that the market will go down, stay off the market. Do not try to do, okay, I'm technical and this and that, and go against the trend. Trend trading, you must follow the trend. You must follow the trend in trend trading, because here we're not using any technical analysis. We're not using any fundamental analysis. We are just trading with the trend. So if the market is going up based on what the trend has shown you in the 4 hours and the 1 hour candle, stick with that trend and trade up. If the trend is going down based on the 4 hours and the 1 hour candle, stick with that trend and trade it down. If it's going up, buy. If it's going down, sell. Do not go against the trend. That is one of the worst way to lose your money. That is one of the easiest way to lose your money, because trading against the trend is not your friend. The trend can mess you up. So always trade with the trend. Now let's switch back to our 15 minutes candle, so we can get a clear view of what the market is trying to do. Although we know it's an uptrend, that means the market will most likely go up, right? But if you look at places, there are still like support zones, and there are lots of support zones and resistance. The market is trying to break up, market is trying to break down, but it's finding difficulties due to those tough support zones and resistance in the 15 minute market. So at this point, when market is doing this, showing that support zone and resistance, like it's stuck parallel, it's moving parallel, it's a high chance that the market will go against the trend. The market's about to do what they call trend reversal. Trend reversal is when the market changes its mind and then reverses its trend. Let's say the market is going up. Once trend reversal happen, the trend will reverse and the market will start going down. So when the market is going down and the trend reversal happen, it means the market will start going up. So keep that in mind. So, but for this market now, we'll go with the trend and we'll click on the buy button. Let me bring this to the middle of the screen to avoid blocking you. So since we are going with the trend, the market is going up. Now for our lots, we have to change the lots. Depends on you. But for this year, I'll make a video to explain lots and how it works. Like I said, this video is not technical. We just want to show you how the markets work, but I'm making it 0.1 lots. So like for every move, for every lot that changes, you're making around 31.8 US dollar here. So look at the margin I'm going to use here for this trade. I'm going to use a margin of $24.46 for this trade. But this one doesn't really matter because we're using a demo account. So here now, sorry, excuse me. For this market now, we're going to talk about take profits and stop loss. It's not an in-depth knowledge, but I'm going to just show you how to set your take profit and stop loss. But now we're entering this market at the current market price. We're not setting it up that we have an entry price. No, once you click on buy, you are entering at the current price. But if you look at this chart again, if you see the red means 46% people want to sell, and then the blue means 56% of people want to buy. So this is another way to know the trend. What is the market? What are other marketers thinking? What are other traders thinking? Do they feel that the market will go up, or they feel that the market will come down? That's on that thing you have to pay attention to. Sometimes follow the trend. Since you're doing trend trading, follow the trend. 46 plus that or both make 100%. So out of the 100% skill, 46% think the market will go down. The market will fall. Okay, now it has changed. 62% now think that the market will go up, which is to buy, while 38% think the market will go down. So most of these people are trading based on the trend. So if they feel the market will go up, the best place now, before you enter every market, the next thing you have to do is to set your take profits and stop loss. So your take profit now means how much do you want to take? Like once the market moves in your favor to this certain point and you've hit that amount of profit, the market should exit. Rather, you want to leave the market. So you can set your take profit by moving that slider up to any point. So let me just set it to that up to where the resistance point is at the top. So because the market has been hitting that point, hitting within that region and trying to break, but the market cannot break it yet. So we'll set our take profit there. Ideally, this is not how you should set your take profits and stop loss, but we're just trading with the trend. So the next part now is the stop loss. So stop loss is if the market is moving against you, how much do you plan to risk to lose? Like how much loss can you handle? How much loss can you take before saying, oh, okay, I'm exiting the market, I cannot handle this loss anymore? So if you want to set your stop loss, again, is also to look at the support zone where the market has been going down, but that zone has been supporting the market and taking it back up. So if you look here, our support zone has been around this point because there's a lot of parallel movement here. So this is where our support zone is. You can still take it down. Yeah, this support zone looks stronger than the up one based on the trend. So, but if you look now, the support zone, your profits and loss, your stop loss is around $100 plus. So you ask yourself, are you sure you want to lose $100? So stop profit and loss are automated process to help you stop your loss or take profits when you are away from the trading. But when you are trading with the trend, I always advise you to stay on the screen, to look at the screen and observe everything yourself so you can take decisions yourself instead of leaving it for your stop loss and take profits. But if you want to be away from the screen and then you're ready to like risk enough, you can still set your take profit and stop loss and then leave your screen and allow it to do the rest for you. So once you set your take profit, your stop loss, and you're ready to enter the market, remember, if you're entering the market, you're entering the market at the current market price because you did not set entry point, and you can still cancel it if you want to cancel, but we're not going to cancel it. But once you're ready, you click on confirm buy. And once you confirm buy, you're going to see a notification down there that yes, the position has been opened, that you bought BTC at 98,000. And then the next thing, you start seeing your profit and loss. Once the indication is green, or once the figure is green, it means you're making profits. And you can see I've made $0.56 in less than some seconds. But once it turns to red, because the market is kind of volatile right now, it has turned to red, it means I have a loss of $0.56 as well. So you see how it is to make money on trading assets, either on crypto or on Forex. So the market can move in your favor in a minute, and the next minute the market can move against you. So for the sake of this video, we're going to leave it for a while. Let's allow it run for, let's say, 2 minutes and see where we are going to end up as. So currently we're making a profit of $2, $3, and it's rising. We've made a profit of $4. So see how it's rising, and that's how easy, because we are trading with the trend. Based on the trend, it shows that the market is going up. Remember, the market is going up based on the trend, and we follow the trend. This is how beautiful trading is. Once you go with the trend and the trend is still, you enter the trend early, you make profit no matter what. So if you want to, for example, now you want to close the trade, you just have to minimize from the big screen, and then as you can see, I've made $7, $6, $5. Example, that's how it goes. If you feel you've made up enough money and you want to exit the market, like, you don't have to be greedy in trading. When you are doing trend trading, you don't have to be greedy. If you've made some amount of money, just click on this close order. I know, yeah, it's just $4. Some people say, hey, $4 is small, but for the sake of this video, that's why they're just moving it. And you can see we've made a profit of $4.95, which is around $5. So for some people, $5 is nothing. But if you are like someone who's coming up with trading, this is like a good morale boost. You just enter the trade, and in less than 2 minutes or a minute plus, you made $5. That is a good trade, which most people might not even get for a very long time. So remember, you don't have to be greedy when trading. Know when to enter the market and know when to close the market. Once you've made some good amount of money, close the market and leave it. It's always good to leave the markets before the market leaves you. Yeah, that's another quote you should remember. It's always good to leave the market before the market leaves you. And now if you can see here, we've made an extra, we started with $500 and now we've made $549. But like I said, this is virtual money. We cannot withdraw it. Even if you make 10 million there, you cannot withdraw it. So to recap this video, always remember, 1 hour and 4 hours show you the trend. If you want to know where the market is moving, you have to use the 1 hour and 4 hours to know that, okay, the market is moving up. Yes, the market is down. So use the 1 hour and 4 hours to know where the market is moving. Then once you figure out where the market is moving, you can come down and change your time frame to a lesser time frame. Then from the lesser time frame, you can use it to figure out what the market might want to do next. Remember, it's not 100% sure what the market might, emphasis on might, the market might still continue what it with the trend, or it might do a trend reversal. So once you figure out that as well, then you enter the trade. If you feel the market is going up, you click on buy. If you feel the market is going down, you click on sell. And don't forget to set your stop loss. Don't forget to set your take profits. So basically, this is just what trading is. This is what trading is. This is what forex trading is. And this is also similar, although not the same, but it's quite similar to futures trading for cryptocurrency. But this part here for this video, we used the forex trading pattern, and this is how easy it is to make money on forex trading. So in forex trading, in a minute you can make up to $40,000, and in a minute again you can still lose more than $40,000. That's how easy and that's how volatile the market is. So this video is just to show you and then educate you about how the markets work. It's not like giving you a financial advice or giving you a tutorial on how to trade. No, we're just showing you this is how we trade with the trend. Personally, this is how I trade with the trend and make my profit. So if you want to learn how to trade forex, I advise you to go and study it properly yourself, or look for people giving free mentorship or paid mentorship. Depends on you. Learn from the best, learn from people that have proven themselves, and then start to practice. Come to Xness and get a demo account, practice properly, and then you'll be good. So that's all for now. Till the next video. Have a great day.